Mark's Ring doorbell kept going off every night, at 3:17 a.m. but every time he checked, nobody was there. So one night, he watched the live feed in real time. 3:16. Nothing. 3:17, motion detected. Still nothing on camera. Then the audio turned on by itself. Slow, heavy breathing. Right up against the mic. Suddenly, the feed glitched. For one frame, he saw a woman's face inches from the lens. Blank. Staring. He rewound the footage. The face was gone. But the timestamp had changed. It no longer said 3:17 a.m. It said streaming now, even though the app was closed.